Kristen here at Larry H. Miller Colorado Jeep in Aurora. Thanks for tuning in again. Today we're going to be going over how to take off the doors on your Wrangler or Gladiator, as they are similar. I figured hopefully the snow is fully behind us, so what better way to enjoy those sunny days and those hot days in the summer than with riding with your doors off. So let's go take a look. So with every purchase of a new Jeep or Gladiator, you will be provided with a torque screw kit that has everything that you'll need to take off the doors and the roof of your vehicle. So using these, there are a couple torque screws on the outside of the doors that you need to undo. Moving on the inside, one of the things that they changed with the JL is you have another torque screw on the center. There is also your cable. So undo the red hook, then the white, and then simply unhook it, and we'll be able to take this door off. Also, always make sure that you have your window down. It makes it a lot easier. And there you have it. I'm gonna go try and find a trail somewhere, but make sure you tune in for next week. We'll take off the roof next week. See you then. Bye.